What if I told you right now, people with zero tech background are quietly making $10,000 a month using AI? No coding, no big investment, just smart strategies. And the craziest part? Most people still have no idea this is even possible. In this video, I'm going to break down exactly how they're doing it and how you can start today. AI is not the future anymore. It's the present. And just like the early days of the internet, those who move fast are making serious money. But here's the truth. It's not about using AI randomly. It's about using AI strategically to solve real problems. So let's break down the top methods people are using right now to hit $10,000 per month. First up, AI content creation. People are building entire content businesses using AI tools. Think YouTube automation, blogs, TikTok pages, all powered by AI. Here's how it works. They use AI to generate scripts, voiceovers, and even videos. Then they monetize through ads, affiliate marketing, and sponsorships. For example, someone creates a faceless YouTube channel in a niche like finance or motivation. AI writes the script. AI generates the voice. AI edits the video. One viral video can bring in hundreds, sometimes thousands of dollars. Scale that with consistency, and boom, $10,000 per month. Key insight. You don't need to be creative, you just need to understand what people want to watch. Second method, AI freelancing. This is one of the fastest ways to start making money. People are offering services like AI copywriting, social media content, email marketing, ad creatives. And they're charging clients $500, $1,000, even $3,000 per project. Here's the secret. They're not doing all the work themselves. They use AI tools to do 80% of the job, and they handle the final polish. Imagine this. You get a client who needs 30 Instagram posts. Instead of spending hours, AI generates everything in minutes. You deliver fast, charge premium, and scale easily. Just 5 to 10 clients can take you to $10,000 per month. Now let's level up. AI agencies. This is where real money is being made. Instead of working alone, people are building small agencies that offer AI-powered solutions to businesses. For example, automating customer support using AI chatbots, creating marketing campaigns, generating leads with AI tools. Businesses love this because it saves them time and money, and they're willing to pay monthly retainers, $1,000 to $5,000 per client. Just 3 to 5 clients, and you're already hitting $10,000 per month. Important, you don't need a team to start. You can run an agency solo using AI tools. Next, selling AI products. This is one of the smartest plays right now. People are creating digital products like AI prompts, templates, ebooks, courses, and selling them online. For example, someone creates a ChatGPT prompt bundle for business owners. They sell it for $20. Now imagine selling that to 500 people, that's $10,000. And the best part? You create it once and sell it forever. This is called passive income, powered by AI. AI is just a tool. It doesn't replace hard work, it multiplies it. If you're lazy, AI won't save you. But if you're consistent, it can change your life. So here's what you should do starting today. Pick one method. Don't try everything. Focus. Learn the tools. Spend a few days understanding how AI works in your niche. Take action. Start small, get your first client or first sale. Scale. Once you see results, double down. Consistency is the real secret. The AI gold rush is happening right now. The question is, are you going to watch others win or be one of them? If you found this video valuable, make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications, because I'll be dropping more strategies to help you grow and earn in this new AI era. And remember, the best time to start was yesterday. The second best time is today. Let's get to work.